What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing 3 needles. We're going to be reviewing these Wacky Jacks, I think, Wacky Jack, and Poppets. So let's get started. Alright guys, so you saw the ones we have. I'm going to open the needles first. I'm going to start with purple. I don't got the tape off. Wow, that feels really cool. That feels really cool, guys.
Wait, what's the bottom gonna do?
These are the wheels. This holds the.
I'll rate this at the end, but this is the purple one. It's really nice. Alright, I'm gonna move on to the pink needle. Oh, by the way, the boxes say need to mellow out. Then you need needle. Grab a glove and give a squeeze. The experience will blow your mind, soothe your soul, and have no feeling, and you'll be feeling groovy in no time. So the pink, feels like the purple. This one feels a little lighter than the purple, but this one feels like pink. Feels a little lighter. I think they're with the same material, but this one feels lighter. This one feels a little heavier. Yeah. Right. And then, last but not least of the needles is color changing needle. I'm so excited. So yeah, so it says, need to mellow out. Color change needle is the groovy glove that excites your eyes while it soothes your soul. Squeeze it and travel to a new dimension of color. This one feels so cool, you guys. OMG. Guys, this one is so cool. It's just like tough. Like, it's so cool. But look at the color changing. It is pink. So, yeah. These are the 3 needles we got. Okay, time to move on to Wacky Tracks. So we have 2 Wacky Tracks. We have the blue and green one. The green is like a light teal, but more of the green, and the light blue. So it feels really nice. You can just play with it. You can even connect it. So this is really cool. Alright, I'm gonna disconnect it and move on to the blue and orange one. The blue and orange one feels really cool. And then we're gonna connect this one, or I don't want to connect. But yeah, which color do you like better? Blue and orange or blue and green? We can even connect them together to make a big Wacky Track. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do this. Guys, this is really cool.
Watch this.
So yeah, I'm gonna disconnect it though.
Now watch this.
I'm gonna.
Alright, hold up.
Okay, so.
Ready?
So yeah, this should do like better. And last but not least, some of you guys' favorites, the Poppet. So the Poppet is really, I'm just popping it on my chest. The Poppet is really nice. I love it. But yeah, this is, I'm gonna pop the good side. Real sounds. So So yeah, guys, out of all the ones we did Neatos, so nice, Puppets, and Wacky Tracks. Which one do you like the best? Now time for the rating. Neatos. I rate these 10 out of 10, all three of these, because they're just so nice to squeeze and they're so relaxing. I love these so much. So this, I rate them. For the Puppets, I rate this one a 10 out of 10 as well, because it's really, really nice, satisfying, and it takes away your boredom. And the Wacky Tracks, I rate these a 9 out of 10. A 9 out of 10, a 9.5 actually, because sometimes they could pinch you a little bit, but that's the only reason. So a 9.5 out of 10. So these were my fidgets that I have. 2 Wacky Tracks. I also have a Marcus Puppet. But yeah, so these are my little collection of fidget toys. If you want to see the collection grow, then make sure to smash that subscribe button. So yeah, goodbye.